Guys, hawag na natin yung just release na Redmi Turbo 4 dito sa aking studio. Right now, pakita ko sa inyo unboxing experience. Siyempre, abangan ninyo ang aking full review din sa aking YouTube channel. Here goes. So, ganito ang box ni Redmi Turbo 4. So, very simple ang kanyang box. And kita natin Turbo 4 nakasulat dito. Box na hindi nagkakalayo sa K80 ni Redmi, by the way. And what I have here is a 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig na variant. So, yung hero color niya, I think it's the white one. So, yun ang pinili natin. So, we have here is yung, well, typical na box na dito, which contains your SIM ejector tool, yung isang quick start guide natin, and of course, yung ating jelly case na color gray. Ganito yung itsura niya. No? So, nothing really special sa kanyang case. So, we'll do the phone a bit later. So, meron tayong ditong charging cable na Type-C, and meron tayong 90 watts na fast charging brick. Now, of course, itong phone itself, no, ang ganda-gandang white. No? It has two-tone color. Medyo may pagka silverish color dito, and dito may pagka matte. Pero basically, seamless lang naman siya. Hindi mo ma-feel may hati siya dito. No? So, maganda yung kanyang pagka-red line dito. No? Looks very sporty tingnan. And ito kanyang camera bump. No? And this is how it looks like dito sa ilalim. Ito naman sa side. And ito naman sa ibabaw. Now, booting up, this is running the HyperOS 2.0. And this is currently a China ROM phone. Kita natin yung kanyang bezels quite thin. No? So, undoubtedly, it's going to be another good selling phone ni Redmi. Siyempre, continuing the success from the Redmi Turbo 3. Now, gusto na natin quick snap lang, no? Dito sa photo na ito. So, let's just take quick snap. Snap. No. So, yan. Tignan guys, oh. Ganda ng kanyang resolution dito. And yeah, I would expect this to be a really good performing phone, no? And I think it has everything dito inside to become another great phone ni Xiaomi. So, what do you think guys, no? Siyempre guys, don't forget to follow me sa aking YouTube channel para sa full review na itong phone na ito, which is the Redmi Turbo 4. So, until then, I'll see you on my full review.